As a couple, please. My Lord, we did not reach a consensus. The state is of the view that we can proceed with the information that we have at our disposal. And I know my colleagues on the left will have a different proposal. At the end of the day, the court will have to make a ruling regarding what we have at this stage. We are ready to proceed.
Yes, Mr. Minister.
But that's not a true reflection of what we agreed about, because it has been suggested by the state that I should go and prepare a note for them of what further information would I need from them in respect of the view, in respect of the map. And that is where we ended. But for the state to come and say now that there was no consensus, it strikes me very, 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 very unhealthy. Because that's where we concluded with the state. Maybe need to be very sincere, that's what Advocate Baloyi proposed, and that's what we agreed upon. So I don't know where does Mr. Sibande get Advocate Sibande get that information from that we did not agree. That is now insofar as accused number 3 is concerned.
So what is the agreement according to you?
I'm going to write a note.
I agreed, my Lord, that no, it's fine. I would send them a formal note with the information that I would request them to include in this map through an email. So it's not like we did not agree.
Is that the agreement?
Is a misrepresentation of facts.
Sibande.
My Lord, it was proposed, but however, we submit that information that is being requested. It will not assist us in presentation of this piece of evidence. And then furthermore, we have Mr. Mngomezulu on the other side who wants to proceed today.
Okay, so what does the state want to do?
I want to proceed with the evidence, my Lord.
Irrespective of the concerns of the defense.
I mean, they can always raise it at a later stage.
I think I need to be very sincere. I don't have a problem if Mr. Mngomezulu says I'm ready to proceed. Maybe in respect of the presentation of his case, the information that the state has furnished us, he'll be comfortable to proceed on those bases. Probably he's got specific instructions on the basis of that information. I don't have a problem with him proceeding. But I still stand by the fact that we had agreed with the state, unless they are now reneging from the agreement, that I should send them a note detailing the information, the further information that I would request them to be evinced in the map before I am ready to take instructions, then I proceed with my cross-examination.
When are you going to give them that information, Mr. Minister?
I'm going to prepare it as soon as we adjourn here, because it's not a 10-page information. It's just a 1-page information with specific details of what I am requesting. For instance, I've included the question of Basuto Hostel, which is nowhere indicated in this map. That's one of them, and probably one or other 2 aspects, which would then enable me to take proper instruction from the accused for purposes of cross-examination and putting accused case on this witness in respect of the Section 205 Vodacom records.
Are you prepared to comply with that notice, which your learned colleague says he needs time to prepare?
Indeed so, my Lord.
Hello?
Yes. We are prepared.
So you are not proceeding now?
If then that's the indication, or that's the direction the defense wants to take, then we'll have to wait for the note, and then we provide it to the Vodacom service provider to assist us with plotting the map and all the documents.
What's your view, ma'am, about adjourning? So this witness, is she going to be involved in this type of exercise?
Indeed, my Lord, she has to be involved as well.
So you are available tomorrow, ma'am?
Yes, my lord.
I'm
I
sorry
am.
about this.
It's no problem.
So we'll have to adjourn until tomorrow then. Because what's your time? It's about 12:30 now.
That's correct, my
And
lord.
between 1 and 2, that hour it's dead because you guys want to go and have lunch. And then so it means we only have up to 3:30. And at the most is 2 hours. Okay,
the
I suggest we
question-
adjourn until tomorrow.
The question is, will she be ready with the information tomorrow?
Hey, I don't know. That's why I was asking you whether she was going to be involved in this exercise.
Are you going to be ready?
It all depends on what the requirements are from the defense
Yeah.
and how much and what they want, how much information they require and exactly what they want. And I've indicated to Advocate Baloy and Sibanda that the defense should be clear on what they request so that I could provide it first time round so that there's no back and forth again in terms of the maps.
So you need time to prepare outside this court, in other words,
Yes, my lord.
in your office.
Yes, my lord.
Yeah. Are we sitting during the recess?
No, my lord. No, my lord, we are not sitting during recess.
Mr. Mngomezulu, are we sitting during the recess?
No, we are not sitting.
Mr. Mnisi?
I'm in the hands of the court.
Mr. Ramsepeli?
My lord, if two parties are not sitting, so
Why do you want to make decisions for other parties? I'm asking you.
I can sit in recess.
You can sit.
I'm in the hands of the court.
Yes, Mr. Mngomezulu, are we
I'm in
sitting?
the hands of the court, man.
Mr. Baloyi and Sibanda, are we sitting during the recess?
Well, my lord, special arrangements have to be made if we are going to sit during recess.
What are
We
the
have to arrange with the role planner.
Hello?
Yes, to arrange for a court personnel.
Here's the court. What's your problem?
The court personnel. So we need to arrange that with the role planner. Specific arrangements must be made if we're going to sit during recess. But if all the parties want to sit during recess, it's not a problem, something we can arrange. But I think my colleagues have already indicated that they are not available to sit during recess.
Some of them.
Accused number 5 and 4's legal representative. So if, depending on what the final decision is, we will make all the necessary arrangements.
What's your situation regarding recess at work?
I'm actually flexible at work in terms of that, my lord.
I see.
Yes.
If I say we sit on Christmas Day, will you be flexible?
If I have to do that, I shall do that.
Okay, let's see what happens tomorrow. Let's adjourn until tomorrow, because this is a wasted day. And then I hope you'll use this time so that tomorrow, when we again sit at 10, these problems shall be resolved. Okay, I'm sorry about this. 10 o'clock tomorrow.